Uh-oh, it's the last day of the year, Nicholas. It's the last day of the year. That means they're gonna start year 2000 tomorrow. We have less than a day to go. Oh no! What song are we singing? Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and broke his head. Mommy called them. Yeah. Say, I heard it through the grapevine. How much longer you would find? That's a good baby. Say, I'm gonna get the baby. Bumblebee. I want to see my picture. Okay. I flipped the screen. Can you see your picture? Say, I'm gonna get the baby. Bumblebee. I say, and when my hair is dirty, I wash it all up. You're not gonna sing the song. Okay. Let's try the alphabet. Can you say the alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Nicholas, you know how to say your alphabet. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boy, you ain't doing right. You know how to count, say your alphabet. Nicholas, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Must have swallowed some saliva or something. You like looking at that picture, don't you? Alright, you getting ready to, you're going to put some clothes on so you can watch Rugrats? You sure? Yeah. Who is that? Who's that in your hand? Buzz and Woody. Buzz and Woody. Where's Buzz? Let me see Buzz. Now I just play. Are they from a movie? Yeah. Which movie? There's a movie. We're in a movie. Toy Story. Uh-oh. Maybe we need to finish drying you off and put some clothes on. What do you think? You ready to put your clothes on? Yeah. Alright, let's see what you got. Blue jean sweatshirt and some sneakers. And what are these, Nicholas? That's right. What are these? Shoes. Shoes, huh? What are these? Pants. Pants, huh? And what is this? Uh-oh. What is this? This isn't pants. Lion. That's your shirt. Yeah, there's a lion on the tag. That's true. Well, you sound kind of bad. Okay, let's go and get you. Got the heat up, but let's go ahead and get you dressed. All right, now he is fully dressed. You want to see a picture like this? Let me get your flip screen out. You see your picture now? Is that a picture of a good boy? Alright, let's go downstairs for a little bit, okay? Come on. Come on, we're going downstairs. Here comes Nicholas. He's a good boy because he's holding on to the rail. Even though he has 2 toys. This is Nicholas's new playroom with all of the Christmas toys that are over here. Got about 10 times as many at his mom's and grandmom's. Bunch of toys. There's his favorite, the basketball goal. I don't see your Buzz Lightyear.
No way.
There it is. What is that?
Buzz Lightyear.
What's this?
Telephone.
Telephone. Who is this?
Oh, what do you mean? Elmo. His.
That's not Elmo.
What Elmo they call.
Who is this?
A big bird.
That's right. Nicholas, who is on that ball?
And Bob. Bob is right here.
Look, who is on that?
I am Buzz Lightyear.
Uh-oh. Nicholas, who is this?
Oh,
Nicholas. Look, who is that?
Ladybug.
Not this way.
I guess you don't want to hear that. You see yourself in the picture. Nicholas, what is this? What is that, Nicholas? What? Look. What is this? You want to see your picture again? Let me flip the screen out. You see? Is that a happy face?
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. My bus.
I am Buzz Lightyear. To infinity and beyond.
You like that Buzz Lightyear, don't you?
Hey, let's go. We've got to rendezvous.
Let's see you play basketball.
Okay.
Cadet, snap out of it.
Can you make a shot? Do it. You gonna do it without looking?
So long, Cadet.
Do it. Good shot. Good shot. You gonna shoot another one? Do it again, Nicholas. Get the basketball. Uh-oh. Big Bird. Uh-oh. Oh, no. What is this, assault and battery? Big Bird's gonna get you. Big Bird's gonna get you.
Hey, Bird. What did you dinosaur?
Nicholas, what is this?
The portrait.
What?
Oh, wait.
What did you say that? What is that?
Oh, what's a Woody?
Oh,
Uh-oh. Hi, Woody. Say so.
what is this?